Nanga. Welcome to Ask Aunty with Aunty Munya and Carla. Aunty Munya, question for you today is, what are some Aboriginal words that I could use in day-to-day conversation?
Well, ones would be common greetings, Carla, like hello, you know, Nangamanladi, we say in Badi, Nangamanladi, or perhaps you might say Yama in another country, or Kaya in Noongar country and so forth. And then I noticed particularly that over in Western Australia, people are using more Noongar words, like you're talking about being on Noongar Budja, which is Noongar country. You could say Badi Buruk, Badi country. Those would be acceptable terms, but also don't forget the use of Aboriginal English terms, such as to say hello is which way. So particularly Murrays in Queensland, they'll say which way, like how are you? In Kimberly, also another way of saying it is what kind.
What kind?
K-I-N-D, but it's more pronounced like a K-I-N-E. What kind? And then you'd answer either good kind or slack kind, whatever. So those words are acceptable.
There's some I love too, like solid again.
Solid again.
For something good. And why, as an ally, what is one or two reasons why I might want to use an Aboriginal language?
Well, it's one way of helping us to maintain and preserve our culture, Carla, because language is essential to carrying culture and passing on culture. So you'll be helping us with our traditions, keeping them alive as well.
Thanks, Aunty Munya. Ask Aunty.